जैसे मैंने शुरुआत में कहा था, आई टोल्ड यू एवरी ग्रेट थिंग, गुड थिंग कम्स टू एन एंड.
Thank you.
At the
Thank
end
you.
of the session, our summit, 5 days summit, and there are so many people, as I said, even supported this wonderful summit. But there are people who have participated. Without the participants, without your support, this cannot be happen. This cannot be done. तो ऐसे बहुत सारे हमारे बच्चे हैं, हमारे जो स्पेशल नीड बच्चे हैं, जो जिन्होंने they participated in different events. Somebody was participating in dance, somebody participated in drawing. There's so many things. So we feel कि ये हमारी जिम्मेदारी है कि we should appreciate their work as well. So Sushant sir, can we have their certifications as well, so we can show their certifications and we can show their names, so we can boost their confidence, and we can. Yes, we have Anish, Santoshi. Can we have a big round of applause for every one of them, every one of them, and for their parents as well, they participated. So Anish, Santoshi, next. और ये इन सब बच्चों के सर्टिफिकेशन विल बी गिविंग इट टू देम. ये तो फिलहाल बिकॉज ऑफ इट इज ऑनलाइन, तो ये ऑनलाइन सर्टिफिकेट, ई सर्टिफिकेट दैट वी आर डूइंग. Angelica Singh, she also participated. Thank you so much, Angelica. Next, Aviraj Singh. Thank you so much, Aviraj. Sam Varghese, Saurish Bhattacharya ji, Dhruv Arora. ये पेरेंट्स जो आप देख रहे हो, प्लीज आई रिक्वेस्ट ऑल ऑफ यू, ये तालियां बजनी चाहिए, बिकॉज ये बच्चों ने दे हैव पुट लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट्स. शरंज राउत, काव्या गोयल, दोनाश राठौर, खुशबू प्रजापत, प्रितेश मोहांती, रुद्र पुराणिक, रुद्रव्रता देव, प्रांजलि शर्मा, सनी पवार, वेदिका जैन, जॉन रॉड्रिक्स, ब्राइडन रॉड्रिक्स, रितवन दास, अनिरुद्ध दास. Okay, I think that's it. We have these are our participants. They participate in different events. So I request all of you to give them a big round of applause, guys. ये बहुत बड़ी बात है. Even in this pandemic, online, even the summit is online. Everybody participated well. जैसे as you can see, their parents, all the children, they were participating, and this is a token of appreciation from us, from Cynic. So with this,
just want to make one announcement. If speakers are joining, please raise your hand and I can add you accordingly, because it's difficult for me if there any left in attendees. Carry on, sir. Maurice.
So by the time all of us can join, all the trainers will join. जैसे मैंने कहा था, I would love to engage all of you with the one small poem. जो even Kundra sir का session मैंने सुना, even Sangeeta madam का भी session there was a wonderful poem. So I would love to end on this note of poem के लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. नन्ही चींटी, because ये कोशिश है, this is a कोशिश by Cynic, is the first ever by parents summit, by special need parents, for the special need parents. So ये बहुत बढ़िया कोशिश, I must say it's a कोशिश, because we tried, and this is where we are landing today. This is where we are ending today. So नन्ही चींटी जब दाना लेकर चलती है, चढ़ती दीवारों पर 100 बार फिसलती है. नन्ही चींटी जब दाना लेकर चलती है, चढ़ती दीवारों पर 100 बार फिसलती है. मन का विश्वास रगों में साहस भरता है, चढ़कर गिरना गिरकर चढ़ना न करता है. मेहनत उसकी आखिर बेकार नहीं होती, क्योंकि कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. दूसरा इसका जो मेरा फेवरेट पैरा था, वो ये है कि दुबकिया सिंधु में गोताखोर लगाता है, जा जाकर खाली हाथ लौट कर वापस आता है. मिलते नहीं सहज ही मोती गहरे पानी में, बढ़ता दुगना उत्साह इसी हैरानी में. मुट्ठी उसकी खाली हर बार नहीं होती, क्योंकि कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. और ये लास्ट लाइन या कुछ लास्ट पंक्तियां जो फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू, फ्रॉम ऑल दी पेरेंट्स, फॉर ऑल दी टीचर्स, आई मस्ट से, और फॉर ऑल दी इंस्टीट्यूशंस, कि असफलता एक चुनौती है स्वीकार करो, क्या कमी रह गई देखो सुधार करो, जब तक न जीतो नींद चैन की त्यागो तुम, संघर्ष का मैदान छोड़कर न भागो तुम, क्योंकि कुछ किए बिना ही जय जयकार नहीं होती, ये कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। तो एक कोशिश हम सबने की है, स्पेशली स्नेक, सीआरसी, ComHat, everybody who supported this summit, this cause. So that was a wonderful कोशिश, and मुझे लगता है इस पहली कोशिश में ही बहुत ही बढ़िया सक्सेस हम सबको मिला। I must say, and this is just a beginning, guys. I mean, so on this note, I would love to invite the woman behind all this, the summit, and the SNCC की managing director, Harshali madam. Big round of applause for Harshali madam. Madam, hats off to you.
Thank you so much.
All to you for the vote of thanks. आपको मैं स्टेज पे लाना चाहूंगा, ऑनलाइन स्टेज पे लाना चाहूंगा।
I think can we have feedback first and then vote of thanks, Sushant sir? What do you say?
Yeah, that is good idea. We can have feedback from all the speakers, and if any parents want to give feedback, any professional attendees, we can unmute them and we can take a feedback. And I think then we will be having vote of thanks, and we can end this.
Yes, slight change I'm making. So I don't want everybody to go and just give me feedback, what you're feeling. So that way.
Okay. Somebody from trainer, so if you can raise your hand, so I'll call your name. Somebody from the people who are here.
Okay, Bodhankar sir is on. So the Bodhankar sir, you can give
Bodhankar,
your feedback, sir.
Me?
Yes, sir.
Ho, sir. Tumhi dya feedback.
Okay. Good evening to all. Good evening to all of you. First of all, accept my salutation, my greetings, my compliment to all the team members of SNCC Rehab, especially Dr. Harshali and all Shinde, Sumit Shinde, other people who are here, and also Dinesh More and all the managing director, board of director of SNCC. It was a wonderful program. On the inauguration, we were there whole day. After that, we were in between, myself, Dr. Rawat, we could join in between, and we have witnessed a wonderful program organized by the parent, for the parent, of the parent. And I think this is a great achievement by not only SNCC, but all the parents who are there. And today, my salute to you, Kundra sir. My birthplace is Hyderabad. My brother he is a occupational therapist, VG Bodhankar. He was in Usmania. He stayed in Pilkhana Begambata. So I'm sorry, in spite of my so many visits to Hyderabad, I was not aware of such a godly place, a temple for autism. Salute you, sir. I'm sorry, I would have preferred to go to you than to visiting Salajing Museum. You are an icon, all of you. I think I was today. I could visit today. We had a meeting with Honorable CM about the COVID in children. It went for 3 hours. I am in the transport. So sorry, Harshali, Dinesh, and Sunday sir, we could not attend. We have got here Jason Oni, who is a international figure in the field of rehab. I think we would like to listen from him. We have got almost all the people who are here. I will. All the speakers were excellent. All the parents were very proactive, cooperative, and having positive attitude, which is important. And this national summit for special needs of parents has come to a very sweet end. Your aim was to identify the elements which induces the rational in front of parent, which you have done very well, understanding the needs and demands of the parent community in order to improve rehabilitation structure, which has been, I think, fulfilled by most of the speakers, and considering the flaws in the current system and providing suitable update. Your motto of providing professional guidance was done expert by all the expert speakers and faculty and NGOs, parental perspective and experience sharing from various NGOs like AK Kundra sir and other organizations which are there from Bombay, Delhi, Bangalore, and about the individual model in child love sector. So I will not take much time. I am really overwhelmed by the amount of enthusiasm, commitment, dedication, devotion, and participation by all the parents, all the NGO, all the speaker, all the faculty. With this, I again salute Harshali and your team for doing an excellent job, far excellent than what I could do as a pediatrician. We had the first meeting. Give a big round. First parent meeting I organized in 1997 when Dr. Menon was the director of Nimans Hyderabad, and he was the chief guest, and we had 750 parents in Nagpur. But this meeting was awesome. I don't think we are only 1.5 days with our whole battery of people with 200 pediatricians. But you done a wonderful job. Salute you. Namaste. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Jai Sneak Rehabilitation. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
I think Gopinath Ramakrishnan sir wants to give his feedback.
We would also like to listen from Unni also.
Yeah.
Yes.
Gopinath, sir.
If Mr. Unni would like to go first, then no. Okay. Thank you. So wonderful, wonderfully organized. I think it is a mammoth task. I think even in our session, I was telling you, Harshali and others, that I know it's, we all say Harshali, but I'm sure there's a team which has, worked very hard. I don't know all the members. I know only Saumil. I'm sure there's a huge team which has worked very hard. And I think the effort of getting so many panelists and deciding the topics and getting the right people for it has come out beautifully. It's really, it's a wealth of information. I could not attend all the sessions, but every day I was trying to peep in whenever I could, and every session was interesting. So hats off. Please do this more often. It has to reach more people. A couple of suggestions that I would have is, I know for consideration, is that, I found a lot of people saying that we couldn't attend a lot because of work and so on. Is it possible? I don't know whether to spread it out a bit more so that, it's not like a full day thing every day. So that if it's like maybe the evenings for over 5 days, as well as maybe Saturday, Sunday, then it's a little easier to attend. I'm just thinking. The second thing I noticed was that wherever there were presentations, either by individuals or as part of a panel, I think there was less time for Q&A. There were a lot of questions. And poor Saumil had to say, no, I'm going to ask the last question because it was running out of time. So maybe we should try to curtail the presentation time and leave more time for Q&A, Like, for example, in our panel, we got 20 minutes each. But you know how it is. All of us talk 20 minutes. So in the Q&A time, there are 90 people or 100 people who are waiting to ask questions, and they don't get their time to ask. So just a suggestion, maybe we could change the ratio a little bit. But other than that, I would say fabulous, great work. Please keep doing more of this. And I think we should find a way to share this with more people. I'm sure you're going to put it on YouTube or Facebook and so on. And it should be shared with more people. That's the way forward so that we can spread that intense amount of knowledge that has come together. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. Thank you. I think those who are not able to attend these sessions, so we have recordings available from them, so they can definitely join, but they can see afterwards. So we have recordings as well. But thank you so much for the suggestions, sir. We'll definitely work it out, and next time will be jam packed again. So Jason Unni, sir, would you like to share your feedback?
Thank you so much, Ashali. She's been after us for a few weeks now to get this program going. It was excellent. I don't know how we organized 4 days of conferences, and timing was on time. That is 1 hour. It stopped at 1 hour. That's something that was amazing. With so many topics going, you maintain time. That kept the momentum of the program going very well. I thought there was enough time for questions and answers if the speaker was careful with what he's talking, because I've been getting so many SMSs after the talk, there've been a lot of interaction post the session where you're getting a lot of people writing to you and by email and by SMS asking questions. So it's really reached out to a lot of people. So that's fantastic. The organization, that SNCC, this is the first time I'm hearing about SNCC, but it is amazing. I have to follow you now. What are you doing? There's the Indian Academy of Pediatrics. We have a neurodevelopment chapter, as I was mentioning. We have about 800 development pediatricians who are working in this area, and I think we should have. See, we have a fellowship of a neurodevelopmental fellowship with the IAP, 1-year fellowship, and I think you're organizing. If you have enough, you should apply for getting fellowship the training program there in your institute, if it's been working for more than 5 years. The Dr. A.K. Kundra, we've had him at Kochi. We have at the Hyderabad conference of the IEP in Enrollment chapter. We had him there.
Yeah.
He is phenomenal. I don't know. He's worked so much in this area, and I was wondering, after his success of his program of this autism ashram, there's nobody else who's taken it up in such a big way. Why is that not happening? Because if it is such a success, there should be other takers. So that's something that it requires a lot of dedication, because I'm sure I don't know if he's got a Padma Shri as yet, but he requires an award, because the children there, they're living a life of their own, and all the meltdowns and all the problems that they have, he's teaching them to cope with that by themselves. And as we all know, the crux of managing differently able children is to, one, early detection, early intervention, and working on strengths. And he's been finding the strength of each of them. Each of these children with autism have a particular strength which parents or caregivers have to try and pick up. And that's something he's been doing in a big way. So he's picking up these strengths, and he's having these programs where their products are being highlighted, whatever they can make and whatever music they can do. That is something that all differently able children should be encouraged to do. We have an autism club in Cochin. It's working wonders. The parents have so much to contribute. They tell each other, Down syndrome, we have we have Down syndrome trust. We have cerebral palsy parents support groups. So these are organizations where the parents can teach other parents about what they have learned from their experience. And I have a big thing that when we did learning disability work, there was one Joseph Marsh in Trichur, who has a program for 20 months where he trains parents on how to do assessment of learning disability and remediation. And they go to the periphery, and they are the grassroots workers. So when you have a child with autism, the parents with children with autism are the people to train, because they're the ones who will work. They'll work their guts out for these children, and they will go to the periphery. The grassroots work will be by them, and if they have a problem, they come back to you. So training of parents is absolutely essential if you want to get to the difficult to reach areas where one in every village you must be training one parent with a particular disability. We even call it disability, differently abled or special needs parent, and he will do the maximum he can for the least amount of money. So because the expense that is required for attending these sessions is tremendous, and the government is doing a lot, but it's not enough. We need to announce that many of these things have come under the Personal Disability Act. We learn disability, we want resource rooms and medicines to be available free of cost. So a lot of things can be done, and people are working passionately. The department is doing a lot, and we hope that the Indian Academy of Pediatrics can contribute its might to all this. I wish you have more programs. We're doing a lot of parent education programs as much as possible. We have a lot of workshops for parents that the IEP is doing, and we could collaborate with SNCC and other organizations that are doing work. I enjoyed Dr. Anthony Rodrick's talk. It was lovely. So we need you to come and most of these speakers were very good, and we want you also to come and participate in the IEP Act programs. And if Harshali can send me the names of all these great speakers, we can connect. Thank you so much, Harshali, and your team. It has been excellent. We've enjoyed it, and we hope that you can do a lot of work in this area. Yeah. We hope we can connect more. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. Dinesh More, sir, you are on mute.
Anybody from speakers who would like to share their...
Anthony, sir. Anthony, sir.
To be honest with you, for me, it was a tight kind of squeezing in the 2 sessions I was supposed to present. And that too, I was on pins because of the cyclone. Lots of trees had fallen here. There was no electricity, no internet, no phones not working. But as Providence would have it, just half an hour before the session could start, we got internet. So that was a big blessing. I can, to be honest with you, I'm not. I should be the last person to comment because I've not been attending the session because I didn't have the time to do that because I'm running another program for 8 days here online. Having said that, for me it was a great opportunity, and I wish there was more interaction that I would have, but online that's not possible with the parents, and then they would have a lot of questions, I guess, and so that would have been useful. There are two levels that I think you're operating, and that is wonderful. One level is in terms of helping parents to deal with children who are differently abled. One. Two, is there a process to heal them? I've been very interested in the healing process, to be honest with you, because I'm not specialized in this line. But I'm getting in the counseling session a lot of children who are differently abled here. And I was helpless in terms of how to help parents. So I'm glad this organization is doing this. But I read a lot in this line. For example, if you all have not read, what's his name? Norman Doidge's books, Plasticity of the Brain, that is one book, and Brain That Heals Itself, where he gives cutting edge research where people who are differently able were healed. And then I was taken up with this when I was visiting the States to give some programs. I made it a point to visit Canada, to visit the center of Barbara Arrowsmith Young. And I was keen on getting it here so we could reach out to so many and start a center, because she has developed, I spent a whole day there, how she has developed, she herself healed herself by creating certain exercises, and she has multiple learning disabilities, and she healed herself. So I said, why can't we help our own children here? And I tried to negotiate with them, inviting them to come to India, but I on my own could not, because my organization is not that big. So I was trying to get parents of schools like St. Mary's ICSC, Campion School, St. Xavier's, some of our Jesuit schools, and see if those parents would be willing to get. But unfortunately, COVID came on, so I couldn't do much about that either. So that's where it is. But if someone is interested in following this up with Barbara Arrowsmith Young, I have material, I've collected material, I have it. Even in books and what they have done and all that, I can make it available, because I think we have to reach out to as many as we can and heal people. I've seen autistic child healed in US, in Atlanta. First time, and what is the therapy she used? There was a music therapy. And the guy in Norman Doidge's book, he speaks about this guy. He was a French guy. How he tried it for the first time using music, Mozart, classical music, and inserting the voice of the mother, and how he healed that. And I seen the child heal. So what I'm saying is there is hope. It's not just adapting and trying to accommodate and try to help this kid, but we can free them from their distress. And this is my hope. And you all are doing fantastic work, not good work, fantastic work. Please keep it up. And if there is any way I can be of assistance, I'm there. Thank you.
So, Father, and thank you so much again. And I would like to request anybody from the speakers who can give a quick feedback, because we are running short of time, because even
Yes, Dinesh ji, I can. This is Kriti
Yeah.
Mitra Bhatia. I'm sorry, I'm not able to switch on my video. My internet is extremely sketchy today. We'd had a lot of storm and all in our parts of the country as well.
Yeah.
Quickly, I will not take much more time. Firstly, thanks to you. Loved the way you elocuted everything. Loved the way you have quoted famous poets and shires. That actually has infused a lot of life into the entire virtual conversation that we all had for all these days. Special thanks to SNIC and my dear Harshali. I know personally for sure how much she has actually toiled and how much she has actually put in to make this summit happen from the scratch. So my best wishes and lots of love and blessings to all of you. Dr. Shomel, it was lovely interacting with you. The way you have moderated our session was phenomenal. Wish we can have more conversations like this. And lastly, to all the speakers and to all the people who have attended, this was a very important session. And sessions like these will always help us in our journey for sure. And thanks to the recent times that we are in, the world has shrunk into our laptops and into our phones. So let's make a better use of it, all of us. And let's create an amazing ecosystem all around us so that we not only inspire the younger parents, but even the senior parents are proud of all of us. Let's see how far we have come and how much we have achieved in such a little time. And that's about it from me. All of you, stay well, stay healthy, lots of blessings and lots of love to all of us around us. Sab swasth rahe aur sab mast rahe. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for this wonderful feedback, Kriti madam. Anybody from speakers? Yes, Vimal ji. Madam, we can. Yes, after Vimal madam, Rajini madam, we can. Please let us start with Vimal madam.
Okay, I'll quickly just say my 2 words. I personally learned a lot from Dr. Shinde. He said focus on development. I think ये mantra है, इसको समझना बहुत ज़रूरी है कि what is development as opposed to learning skills and other things. So ये चीज़ बहुत बड़ी ज्ञान मिली है और इसको मैं बार-बार जाऊंगी इनके वीडियोस को और अच्छे से समझूंगी. डॉक्टर शिंदे हमारे लिए एक रिवलेशन था क्योंकि इतना बड़ा काम ये कर रहे हैं, हमें नहीं मालूम था. हम मद्रास में 15 साल से हमें नहीं मालूम था आपके बारे में. बहुत बड़ा चीज हुआ इस चीज में. और हमारा जो ग्रुप है स्कैन, आई विल डू माय बेस्ट टू टेल एवरीबॉडी. आई हैव ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड शेयरिंग एंड आई थिंक द लर्निंग, वी हैव टू लर्न अ लॉट फ्रॉम यू. तो धीरे धीरे होगा वो काम. The next thing I want to say is Harshali, I know that Dr. Shinde and others have been part of the planning. लेकिन आपने एक टेम्पलेट क्रिएट किया है ऑटिज्म एनी डिसऑर्डर के लिए सेमिनार कैसे करना चाहिए. तो ये एक बहुत बड़ी चीज है. मेरा प्रॉब्लम फ्रेजाइल लेग सिंड्रोम था, तो आई वाज थिंकिंग ऐसा सेमिनार फ्रेजाइल लेग सिंड्रोम में क्यों नहीं होता. कितना हेल्पफुल होगा पेरेंट्स के लिए. ये 2 चीज है. वन मोर थिंग, बीच में अभी लास्ट स्पीचेस में आया कि हर चीज करने के लिए पैसा चाहिए. मेरे ख्याल से 2 चीज चाहिए. पैसा तो चाहिए, विजन भी चाहिए. और विजन आप लोग में है, तो हैट्स ऑफ टू यू और बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. थैंक यू.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Super. Thank you so much, Vimal ji. Rajni madam, your feedback, please. A quick feedback, I must say.
Yes, a very quick feedback. Actually, a big congratulations to the entire team. You guys rocked it, SNIC. And Harshali, you were super good, especially with the punctuality and the timings and everything. And it was moderated brilliantly. I cannot name one person that I learned from. I have learned so much listening to people, although I had my classes back and forth. So wherever I was finding time and I was coming back, there are so many takeaways, and I've just jotted down my, points. And some of the things have actually jolted me that, yes, we need to look at certain things from another perspective also. At the same time, I would like to say that I'm extremely happy for the fact that, on one platform, we have had something like this, which is going to bring, that awareness that there is a structured community, especially for a parent who's just got a diagnosis. I've had people come to my office and say, I've never come across another child. Is this very rare? Does it happen? They don't know. They don't know there's support around. They don't know that together it can be built into something very beautiful. So at the onset, they have already lost the battle, saying nothing can happen. Our world is devastated. But with a summit like this happening and different people sharing their views, I'm sure a lot of people would have a changed perspective towards autism. And I would absolutely love to see more and more of these happening so that more and more lives can be touched. So thank you so much, everybody, all the speakers, super impressed with everybody, and great effort.
Thank you so much, Rajni madam. Thank you so much. Anybody from speakers would like to share?
Sarbani ma'am, you have unmuted yourself. Please, you can say.
Yeah, Sarbani ma'am, please.
First of all, I must say that, thank you so much for having given that opportunity to be a part of this August speakers. This is an amazing set of people from the entire country, that you all have got them together. Running an organization for so many years and having, conducted any of the workshops, seminars, we just know how many people and how many hands and how much of effort is required in coordinating these kind of programs. I have no words to say. Probably I should only say that do conduct a session on how you people manage to put all of these together for 4 days and still have your smiles intact. I just can't get myself to think how you people did it. I would love to attend that session in your organizing this entire program. We need definitely more of this. If we get that template, we will do it also.
Thank you. That was an interesting topic. We should do it, Sullivan.
Yes.
On this note, Mukta Jatkar madam, like to say something.
First of all, I would like to thank Harshali and SNEAK team to invite me as one of the speakers. Even I couldn't attend most of the sessions due to my prior commitments, but I wish all the best to SNEAK and all the speakers for their future ventures. Thank you.
That was really short and sweet. Thank you so much, Mukta madam. Yes, sir. Roderick, thank you.
Yes, to begin with, challenges to opportunities. You all proved that statement perfectly and brilliantly correct, that probably a year behind, we would not have imagined that sitting in our homes, we could listen to so many speakers across the country, across the world. So this was the best example. And thank you very much, SNEAK, for coming up with this initiative, because across the social media, there are various platforms, various organizations, and getting so many people under one common roof, and I could say you all have literally entered our kitchens, our bedrooms, everywhere. We were listening to you all, because all the eminent speakers was giving so much of insight that it was unbelievable.
I just want to say one thing to SNEAK and especially Harshali. Amazing job. I know, I should say we know, being parents of 2 children on the spectrum as we are, it's quite a lot to handle, and amazing job. And after every session, at the end of the day, I would tell Brian, I want to talk to Harshali. I want to tell her that more power to you, Harshali, and you have done an amazing job. Getting this together and a woman doing this, I'm sorry if I'm, I know you haven't, but getting this together, Harshali, was really, you have put autism, you have put the differently able on a national summit. Who could think of this, So thank you from us parents. We are quite junior at the moment, but thank you to all the speakers, to everyone, and thank you for giving us this platform, Harshali and SNEAK. God bless you all, and we hope that we can contribute as much as possible.
Thank you, dear.
So Harshali, you know when a woman speaks, how she speaks.
Yes. So that's why my love to her.
Yeah, sure, really. Hats off, and thank you so much.
Dr. Sumit, sir, would you like to say something? Feedback on this? You're a part of the team, so but it's sort of, I won't call it a feedback because you're the pillar.
You want a feedback?
Yeah, it's a feedback, but what you're saying.
I think Dr. Murli wants to say something.
Yes, Murli sir.
Okay, so Murli sir, we'll start.
Murli is a good friend of mine. He's an occupational therapist. Yes, Murli.
No, I actually didn't wanted to speak. I was actually just quietly sitting and listening to everyone. And once everybody started talking, it's like, okay, I have to put in my 2 words here. And first of all, thank you so much, Harshali and the team SNIC for a wonderful, wonderful organization. And what I am very glad about is, I know Sumit, I know Sushant in a very close personal level, where we know each other, how we think, how we process information, and what we want to deliver to the community as well. And some of the people we have heard about, we have had conversations about the way they work, especially Vimal Balachandar, Gopinath sir, and we have heard each other many times. Hi, ma'am, but we have not met. But this platform has given us an opportunity where we could really put a face to the names. They must have heard my name. I have heard their names like a number of times. It's wonderful how, as professionals in a varied of fields, coming together, irrespective of whatever the fields and whatever the talents we have, and everybody's focus is on the same thing. And when somebody started doing something, we will definitely stand by the person and do it. That's what all the professionals have done with SNIC, I think, here. And kudos to all the professionals for standing up and giving the full support, and the exceptional knowledge sharing each and every person had is so fantastic. And I appreciate everybody wholeheartedly for the wonderful efforts. And thank you so much, Shinde. Please take over.
Murli sir, thank you so much. Now, yes, I think anybody from speakers?
Dinesh sir, I just wanted to add one thing. Like somebody asked if they want to learn like ये सब कैसे manage करना है. So there is a very small thing. There is IIT, इसके पीछे IIT है. हमारे पीछे IIT है. That is idea, implementation, and trust. These three things are working. That is IIT is behind the management.
So we are all our IITians. You can say that. Somebody was asking what is the idea. So IIT is our idea. Okay.
Especially our IITs, the person who's talking, Sushant Shinde, is the actual management behind all these things. The bringing it on a paper to the making it reaching it to the people, and then Harshali, Saumil, and you have done an amazing job. I have to say, and my job was only a speaker in this, and maybe in the starting of maybe behind the strategies. So hello everyone, I'm Dr. Sumit Shinde, a bit timid person, so I don't speak on groups and all. I don't just this thing. So I was a very silent member. How it came when Harshali, I know her since last 3-4 years, and then when she was talking, why don't you share your knowledge? Why don't you share this thing? Because I don't speak treatment to the parents. I don't speak. Sorry, not treatment. I don't speak in my lectures when I was talking about parenting to the parents and treatment to the therapist. A professional should speak professionalism to the professionals, and the etiquettes, or we can say the actual parenting to the parents. But what was happening in many of the conferences or many of the lectures, whatever I was seeing that the professionals were giving knowledge to work on dysfunctions, and everything was getting diverted. In last 8 or 10 years, everything was getting diverted towards a dysfunction. And while expressing those dysfunctions, what was happening, that the whole community of parents was going towards a fear with respect to the comparison, with respect to the knowledge, with respect to a kind of a thing, and then everything was getting diluted. The professional's effort, the parenting was getting diluted. At the same time, the treatment was also getting diluted because the occupation that we follow. At this moment, my occupation is I'm speaking on these things. Maybe if I go out of this and start talking to my child, my occupation will become a father. Maybe in my office, I'm an occupational therapist, or maybe I'm boss in a meeting. So everybody has his own occupation. And if we step out from that occupation, and then if I start speaking like a father in this professional meeting, then definitely I will not sound better. So the people, I saw that they were changing, they were exchanging the things was happening, and that's why the results were getting affected. Not just with respect to the child, the result with respect to the parenting, and the parents were going into the stress, the parents are going to this thing. The child is going to be a child and is going to be a child. Be it a child with dysfunction, be it वो काला है, गोरा है, छोटा है, नाटा है, उसको बाल नहीं है, वो पतला है, वो मोटा है, वो हर एक मम्मी के लिए अपना बच्चा, वो बच्चा ही वो उतना ही प्यारा होता है, और वो मम्मी अपने बच्चे को किसी के साथ भी क्या बोलते हैं उसको शेयर नहीं करेगी. कोई अच्छा दिखने वाला बच्चे के साथ कोई मम्मी उसके साथ एक्सचेंज नहीं करना चाहेगी. That's a very, very important thing I wanted to tell you, all the parents. So the whole community is going towards a kind of a fear, and that was the challenges to opportunities. And for the parents is fear and compassion. The major motto is to bring towards compassion. Parents should learn what exactly the parenting is required. Parents should learn the role of a father, the role of a parent. Parents should learn more about the government policies. Parents should learn more about, if I have a severe child, then exactly what remedies are there in these things. The parents should learn about different organizations. Parents should learn about what happens in the organization. So everything was important, but somewhere the things were getting diluted, I felt. So I thought, why not we should bring this on a larger picture. And then Harshali said we want to have a conference kind of a thing, and then the topics and all those things we decided. Especially Harshali had a bigger contribution in deciding topics also and deciding people also. But where we are taking this society to, there is always a Mahabharata is going on in our mind. The Kauravas and Pandavas, the fears and then the compassion is always there inside our mind. It's about the child. The child is not wrong. His behaviors are not wrong, but our comparison is wrong. Our fears are wrong. Our expectations may not be right. And then who is putting those expectations? Who is trying to transfer those beliefs and ideas inside us? It was happening since last few years, where the treatment was discussed on open platforms. The treatment should be discussed with the budding professionals. The parenting should be discussed with the parents, and that is going to bring a very good we can say a management of disability. And then if everybody goes to the boxes, and then it can be a wonderful thing. Like for example, if I come out of a speaker and I start moderating the session, and Saumil comes out and he started speaking, so everything would have become haywire. So we have to follow our occupation. If I follow my occupation as an occupational therapist, then, and if the parent follows it as an occupation as a compassionate person who's belong to the child, then that is going to be that journey is going to be better, and then we are going to create a best result out of it. So all thinking behind this is all about to create occupations and create a mindset towards dealing with the disability. So thanks a lot, everyone. Thanks a lot, all the speakers. I mean, you are dignitaries. You are the best in your profession, and we didn't get knowledge from you. You shared your wisdom with you. It's not about a knowledge. Many people, many parents must have thought कि हाँ ये summit है तो यहाँ पर हमें बहुत सारी treatment मिलने वाली है, ये वाली activity, वो वाली activity, something like that. But it was nothing like that. So I'm sorry for those parents, but it was all about a mindset. What exactly a parent's mindset should be. What exactly parents should know what he's supposed to know. What exactly organizational ethics are there, what exactly a professional's ethics are there, what the professional's challenges are there, what organization challenges are there, what organizations who are actually dealing with the severe most kids or maybe adult autism, that their challenges are. Disability is a word is a vocabulary for a professional, and then further classification, be it autism, be it ADHD, be it Fragile X, be it Down syndrome, be it cerebral palsy, that we decide just for us to document and just to understand and just to create a protocol. But that is not the word for a parent supposed to be. When a parent comes to seeks a seeks help from a professional, he should seek like a parent, and not with respect to sharing the knowledge. And that's where the problem has started occurring, and that's where I feel it's more important that if we wear our shoes properly, the gait, the stance, and then the walk is going to be very perfect. So thanks a lot, Harshali madam, for keeping faith in SNCC. Thanks a lot, Comhad, Dr. Uday Bodankar, you are amazing, sir. Thanks a lot, Dr. Kundra. I will call him doctor. Any person I call doctor because he's the best in his field. So Dr. Kundra, you are an amazing person. Brian, you are an amazing and passionate father. Lot to learn from you. And Sushant is always, he's my challenge to opportunities. I just put a challenge to him and he says, ho jayega. You know, then that's ho jayega. You know, he's our genie. You know, वो genie हम लोग घिसते हैं, ये मेरा problem है. Okay, ये मुझे देखना है. तो ये ask me, क्या क्या देखना है, कैसे देखना है, बताओ, क्या दिखता है. तो and then I tell him मुझे ये दिख रहा है, तो वो बोलता है हो जाएगा. Okay, and that's how Sushant is an amazing person. And Saumil, you know, the time management अगर सीखना है तो डॉक्टर सौमिल के साथ, you know, वो मुझे भी रोकेगा. You know, if I am speaking, sir, that's why he did not moderate me. You know why he did not moderate me? Because I don't follow time. But the time management is see, everybody has its own role and responsibilities. And then when we do IIT, and then it is successful. So thank you, Dr. Saumil. You are one of the pillar for CRC, and then the one who was holding this summit on your head. What do you call it? That I think Hercules. There was a Hercules. You look also Hercules, and you are Hercules for this summit, and you held this summit 5 days, listening to so many people, you know, giving the feedback, and then keeping everything at the same level, especially the panelists, where all the mothers were there. You cannot go when four females are speaking and they are best in their these things, in their best energy. You can't stop them, but you have done an amazing job, and you extracted the best knowledge and extracted the best out of them. So Saumil, hats off to you, man. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of Sushant. And last and best is Harshali. Everybody said money, you know, and Mr. Kundra also said money. And without money, nothing happens. Even this summit required a lot of money and lots of effort. But एक चीज मैं आपको बोलना चाहूंगा, अगर everything starts from an इच्छा, you know, इच्छा और डिजायर, और इच्छाओं को क्या इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं मुझे नहीं पता, बट एक चीज होती है, वो इच्छा से शुरुआत होती है. इन हिंदी माइथोलॉजी, यू नो, भगवान के मन में इच्छा आई, दैट्स व्हाई ह्यूमन बन गया. तो एक इच्छा थी कि ऐसा कुछ करना है, एंड वो इच्छा को जब एटीट्यूड मिलता है, जब नॉलेज मिलता है, जब विजडम मिलता है, और उसको एक एफर्ट्स मिलते हैं, एनर्जी मिलती है, मैनेजमेंट मिलता है, तो वो इच्छा एक इम्प्लीमेंटेशन में बदल जाती है और इतना बड़ा एक समिट क्रिएट होता है. सो kudos to you, Harshali madam, having 2 kids on spectrum, and we see both the वो जो भौरा होता है ना, you know, tops, we keep revolving behind, and you are keep working on these things. Lots of work. 1 month, you know, dealing with around 40 people, dealing with around 500 people, and then, you know, bringing it on paper and bringing it on this platform is a big deal, you know. So wonderful job, SNCC. I wish you all the best. I wish you all the very best for your journey from here, because I know you're doing an amazing job. You're not doing for money, and your major motto is to help the people. Your major motto is if I have suffered, I don't want others to suffer. I want everybody to be on their path. I want everybody to reach to वो जो नौका पार करने का जो काम होता है, and वो कितना अच्छे से होना चाहिए. That's you are helping them. In morning we had a wonderful session with Abhijit sir. So definitely SNCC will create a kind of a guidelines of the government, and every parent should reach. And thanks a lot from all the audience for being patientful. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Sumit. That was very informative. I think anybody from parents, shall we start with the parents?
1 minute, Swaminathan sir, you want to add? You want to give your feedback, Swaminathan sir? You are on mute. Yeah, you can now. Yeah. Yes.
After my sabbatical, I've been, after rejoining, I've been out of touch with the fraternity. But Preeti, I think, approached me for the topic. It was pretty nice to participate. I didn't give the feedback because I couldn't attend the sessions for some preoccupations. It was only today that I attended a session which I was very much keen on. It is assisted living. I've already booked one, but I wanted to know the present activity level, because in 2016, when I booked into Colonel Sridharan's Kovai care, it was at a very nascent stage, but it was one monkey off my back. I noticed only recently, I didn't know you earlier, except from the Facebook group of resources, that you're an architect. So that explains how it was organized so wonderfully with a nice blueprint, with clockwork timing. So great to be a part of it. All the best for all the future ones. You set a new template and a new bar, because normally Teams meetings are pretty boring, and I normally put in a speaker and then vanish. And if at all the boss comes back, one can always claim there were technical difficulties. But this time it was interesting enough to attend. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your honest feedback, I would say, Swaminathan sir. Thank you so much.
Dr. Saumil, are you there? Dr. Saumil?
He is there, but he said he won't be able to speak.
Okay, we can take parents' feedback. Please, parents, you are here and you can unmute and come on the video and give your feedback, please.
Can I go first, ma'am?
Yes, sure, Aarti, but we cannot see you.
Oh, ma'am, I'm not very presentable. I'm like...
No problem. Okay. Sure. No problem.
Okay, ma'am. First of all, it was of such great help to listen to so many speakers, and it was so professional that it didn't look like a first-time national summit. So punctual and so everything bang on. So, ma'am, many congratulations for that. And ma'am, I would like to narrate my own story in a few words. I mean, in as less time as I can, like very precisely, that I was going through a lot with my son in this COVID. एक मिनट आर्यमन, मैं जरा बोलते एक मिनट हाँ. So ma'am, yeah, actually, and ma'am, to tell you the truth, it was so bad for some time that I thought I'll literally one day I will poison myself and I'll poison my son. And you know, I was on the verge. I mean, I would not do that, ma'am, but such extreme thoughts were coming to me. And my son has a lot of potential and he had the benefit of early intervention, but somehow his therapy didn't, like we as parents, I mean, I as a mother, when we failed to understand, like now when I heard Sumit sir, Dr. Sumit sir, I understood that learning and therapy has to be translated into real life experience at home and all that. I didn't know all this, ma'am. And unfortunately, I mean, my son is 12 now, but though he knows to talk, though he knows many life skills, but his education didn't go in a proper way, ma'am. And I was really very upset about all that. But now, because of this summit, I mean, I met Mrs. I got a. I feel I have support now, and I have therapy. Like I also contacted Dr. Sumit Shinde, and I feel that, you know, I know that I can't catch up on lost time, but अभी जो भी हाथ में है उतना तो जरूर करूँगी. So I have that ray of hope. So thank you so much, ma'am. It's been a life-changing experience. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Aarti madam, and I think that is wonderful feedback. I mean, इससे बड़ी कोई चीज नहीं हो सकती. I think इससे बड़ा कुछ नहीं हो सकता. So thank you so much, and we are definitely there with you, Aarti madam. We are the Snake and all these, you know, all these speakers, all these trainers. We are definitely with. You are not alone. We are definitely there. Acha, Pinky Vishwas.
Thank you, sir.
You can say your quick feedback, please. Pinky Vishwas.
नमस्ते, मैं कोलकाता से हूँ और थैंक्स कहना चाहती हूँ हर्षाली मैम को, क्योंकि उन्होंने हमको ये प्लेटफॉर्म दिया. ये ऑल डिग्निटरीज है, इनको सुनने का मौका मिला है हमको. और ये जो 4 दिन है, ये मेरा और मेरे बेटे का जो आगे का जाने का है, इसमें एक लाइटनिंग है। और जो मेरा एक्सपीरियंस है इस प्लेटफॉर्म से और मेरा जो ग्रुप है मादर्स का, हम सबके साथ आप लोगों का ये एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करना चाहते हैं। A big namaskar from myself. Thank you all the dignitaries and Harshali ma'am to organize the platform.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
We have a next parent, Shweta, madam, Shweta ji, Shweta Karodi.
So go to variables, get a block of X.
Shweta?
Ji, can you?
Yes, ma'am. Shanvi,
Yeah.
1 minute. Ma'am, firstly, I would really like to appreciate all the efforts that you have taken. I am a parent. Simultaneously, I'm also a teacher and I'm taking my classes right now. This entire week, I have tried and toggled so much. I made my parents sit and listen. I made my husband sit and listen. And trust me, it was one of the most enlightening sessions we had. What I learned from all of this is that for our children, and even bigger than that, for the entire society, we need to come together. And this is one of the best platforms to come together. So thank you so very much. I have gained more than anything in these 4-5 days. So all the best, and please do, organizing things like these. It was phenomenal, to be really very honest. Thank you so very much for enlightening us with everything.
Thank you, Shweta.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so very much.
Only one, please,